हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। वी होप आप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे, मजे में होंगे। आज इस वीडियो पे हम रिएक्ट करने जा रहे हैं। उसका टाइटल है जी इनसाइड वर्ल्ड्स बिगेस्ट कैफे इन इंडिया, द रामेश्वरम कैफे। अच्छा, रामेश्वरम कैफे की यहाँ पे बात हो रही है ना, तो जितने भी फूड ब्लॉगर्स बेंगलोर जाते हैं ना, वो रामेश्वरम कैफे जरूर जाते हैं और वहाँ की फिल्टर कॉफी और डोसा को जरूर इंजॉय करते हैं। सो डेफिनेटली आज बहुत मजा आने वाला है। चलते हैं, वीडियो को एंजॉय करते हैं।
चलिए, इससे पहले वीडियो को स्टार्ट करें। चैनल पे नए तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा। हम चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ और आप देख रहे हैं एमजी रिएक्शंस।
चलो जी, वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। 3, 2, 1 एंड गो।
All good? Shall we begin?
Wow. Wow. कितना नेचुरल रखा हुआ है।
Namaskaram. My name is Raghavendra Rao. I'm the founder and CEO of the Rameshwaram Cafe.
Okay.
Welcome to our beautiful cafe. We'll call it as the Temple of Food.
So, sir, what do you do at Rameshwaram Cafe?
Temple of Food.
What I do? जब बर्तन धोने के लिए कोई नहीं है उधर रहेंगे हम। जब पोंछने के लिए कोई नहीं रहेगा उधर रहेंगे हम। We'll try to fill up the gap where where there is a blank. There is no one particular role to play. Multiple roles, like in film we'll call it as multiple avatars. That's the beauty of this industry. In South India, all temples has got one Goshala, where milk coming out from Gau will be used to make prasadam to offer to the god, and will be used to make abhishekam also. That's the thought process of having Goshala at every temple. Rama, Krishna, then we got Kaveri, and we got Yamuna also over here. So these are names what we kept. If you take blessings of one cow, which is equivalent to taking blessings of all cow, all gods. That's what our ancient the Vedic says. So having Goshala at our cafe is something like having a divine power with us. The story of Rameshwaram, like how in mid-20s everybody have a dream to become something. मेरे भी एक सपना था, एक्टर बनूं, एक खास करके एक साउथ इंडियन एक्टर बनूं. I used to watch films, I used to bunk my colleges. कभी-कभी पिक्चर देखने के लिए पैसे नहीं था, तो I used to donate my blood and I used to go and watch movies. Those were the days, So we have Tulsi also over here. We'll call it as Tulsi Katte. At our typically at all temples and even at our home in South India, we'll be having one Tulsi Katte. So we have a temple, Devi Linga Bhairavi. So please do come. So every day we start our day taking blessing from her. You should see our Indian flag. So every day at 5 a.m. that's what our mantra. So all our team around by 4:35 a.m. all even customers will also join hands with us. People जो आदमी सो रहा है वो भी उड़ जाएगा. Typically I am from a Brahmin family where my dad is a priest and parallelly used to take care of agriculture also. इतना भी पैसा नहीं था कि मेरा जो भी day to day needs के लिए fill up करने के लिए. So I used to take care of myself. Every day in the morning I used to put newspaper. जो भी पैसे आता था उसमें से I used to pay to my hostel fees. Parallelly मेरा movie का चक्कर. Actually I joined engineering in 2001. In between I changed my mind to become an actor. लगभग 7-8 years I dedicated myself to it. During those time I worked with various hotel industries, starting from 5-star property, the Hotel La Meridian, to a small dhaba in Delhi. It's called Raju Dhaba, Nehru Nagar, behind the Lotus Temple. Over there, I worked as a steward. I worked as a pot wash guy. These are the time, I discovered myself. One fine day, I realized, no, I should do hotel. This is what I know. This is what I'm going to do. So in 2012, in a small way, in a roadside, I started with 4 to 5 boys along with me. We didn't have a place to keep our trolley also. खाली एक सपना था लोगों को कुछ अच्छा खाना खिलाना. Like we have got Agni, we have Vayu, water, the Akash and the Bhumi. So we welcome our customer with we are welcoming our customer with all these Panchabhutas. They are everything to us. They are God to us.
बहुत अच्छा
So welcoming them with this Panchabhutas, that's the significance of having all these elements at this place. I started my journey in 2012 with 5 boys. And today we have got 3,000 plus employees with us.
Wow.
Again, why Rameshwaram Cafe? I admire Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Since Mr. Kalam is from Rameshwaram, so the Rameshwaram Cafe has evolved. This is completely dedicated to Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So along with me, my wonderful wife, better half, Divya. So we both joining hands together, we started Rameshwaram Cafe. She is a financial lady. She has done her post-graduation at IIM Ahmedabad. So I'm a core operational guy. She's a core financial lady. That's a deadly combination. When we started our journey in 2021, our Rameshwaram Cafe was less than this much of size. This place is dedicated to filter coffee, and we introduced a special filter coffee soft tea also. And we got all fresh juices we have. We introduced bun maska and pal bun. This counter will run throughout the day. 24 hours this counter is open. This will, the moment we step inside, this will make us remember our first day at Rameshwaram. It's very sentimental to us, this place. When we started, it was like 800 SFTR space. Now today at 90,000 SFTR space.
Oh, wow.
When we started, around 40 boys were there with us. Now 3,000 plus employees. As I was mentioning, I used to put newspaper. My salary was 400 that time. It was in 2002, 2003. During 20s of my life, I was just like everybody, I joined engineering in 2001. But somehow I didn't convince myself to be an engineer. So I left my engineering in 2002-03. Then I put myself dedicated to films.
Oh,
that was there in my mind to become an
yeah,
actor.
yeah.
Then in 2009 I realized, no, I should finish my engineering. So again I came back with great difficulty. I finished my engineering in 2011. So I took almost 10 years to finish my engineering. That's what, sometime people will come and ask me, can you suggest me something, I just tell them, we should study when we are studying. जो बोलता है ना, when we are studying, we should put 100% into it and we should study. When you playing, we should play with 100%. That's what we should do.
जो भी करो
Come, I'll take you to our
They'll say
live
about
contest.
100%.
It's our island kitchen. You can see all Dashawataram on this. Each counter will say one story, and we have named it as, and we have kept a name for each and every counter. The front counter on the right side, entire section belongs to all dosa sections. Typically on Friday, Saturday and Sunday, you can see the beauty of this live counter. The concept of Rameshwaram Cafe, it's a temple of food. With the same thought process, we started in 800 square feet of space also, and today also. Bas kahani alag alag hai. There are many stories to tell about South Indian culture. And we luckily we got such a big platform to tell the wonderful stories of South Indian culture. South India is all about temples, is all about food, is all about our culture.
Yeah.
Together I wanted to blend all together to say it's a Rameshwaram Cafe. We are here to tell to the world what is South India is all about, what is our culture is all about, what is food is all about. This is more of experience place it is. We don't want to call it as just a cafe. In our day-to-day life, we're all सुबह से लेकर शाम तक रात तक भागते रहेंगे हम लोग. Typically our work schedule are so stressful. We really forget what we are doing, what we are eating. So this, we want to entertain our customer with our culture as a base. The moment they step in, they should enjoy the essence of our culture with the food. Saying that, they should forget for a while with all their day-to-day stresses. Only food and themselves they should speak. It has been designed in such a way where each and every customers will be happy, parallelly enjoying our culture. You can see this amphitheater. We can see our customer how they're sitting down and eating. This is what our culture says. We should sit down and eat. And moreover, we encourage more young budding artists. So we have a special stage for them also, where we give more prominence to art and culture and music. During my struggling days of to become an actor, the only place I used to get food is from temples only. That was the food for me. Sometimes one meal a day, sometimes one prasadam a day. From then, this thought process where I know it is there in me, the food, this is how a food should be. I always think like an actor. I always think like a director. एक नया कहानी सुनाना है. Typically our day will start at 5 a.m. to the customer. If my breakfast should be ready by 5 a.m., our team will come by 1 a.m. they come. So we start our process. So we take daily 2 hours of time, 2 to 3 hours of time for deep cleaning. Otherwise we work 24 hours, 365 days. I don't count, but thousands of people will come and go. It's more than 7,000, 10,000 dosas in a day.
What is your favorite dish over here?
I enjoy each and every dishes. If I take out one name, the other dish will get angry.
I like the dosas a lot. They were fantastic. Really, really special.
And my favorite tissue is puliogra. Very nice tissue in this set.
पुलियोरा अच्छा है और डोसा भी सुपर.
The favorite food here is ghee pudi idli. I think the pongal, ven pongal, and all the South Indian dishes.
And their paisam and their rice and all the South Indian dishes are very nice. Amazing.
இதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம். எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்கு. ஃபுட்டு ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு. நல்ல டேஸ்டா இருக்கு. ஃபேவரட் டிஷ் மீல்ஸ் அண்ட் இது வந்து புலாவ் மீல்ஸ்.
Yeah, so this is something very cool. I'm trying for the first time. Some pachadi which had bitter gourd in it. So that was very cool.
My favorite food here is like ghee pudi idli.
So my favorite food item was the paisam and holige.
My favorite thing was the holige.
The three things which I like about this place is the food and lots of ghee in it, and it feels like really like taste earthy, like homely taste.
Actually, this is the product that we consume in our childhood. We are the 90s kid, so I love this product. This kancha wala cold drink, it's lovely.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಡಿಶ್ ಬಂದು ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
It's very authentic.
My favorite dish is here the podi masala idli.
Masala podi dosa is awesome, and desserts are good. Sweet dishes especially, and the South Indian food that was very authentic.
There's so many moments, where people will come and share with us. The typically way how we designed it, they feel like, as if they come to a temple and they're enjoying the food. A 80-year-old senior citizens coming over here with great difficulty, sitting and enjoying the food, that's what it touches our heart. This is not an industry to make money actually, where it's a seva. If you ask me, it's a seva.
What is Rameshwaram for you?
Rameshwaram is everything to us. In one word, it's a temple of food.
वाओ, बहुत खूबसूरत वीडियो, मतलब बहुत प्यारी कहानी। और आप ये चीज देखो कि हमें यहाँ से आज भी पता चलता है, एक तरह से हमने एक केस स्टडी देखी ना कि भाई हर इंसान सोने का चम्मच मुंह में लेके पैदा नहीं होता, इंसान को स्ट्रगल करनी पड़ती है। अप्स एंड डाउन्स हर किसी की जिंदगी में आते हैं, लेकिन आप अगर रामेश्वरम कैफे को आज यहाँ पे खड़े देख रहे हो तो उसके पीछे भी एक पूरी स्टोरी है और वो किस तरह से यहाँ तक आया यार, बड़ी कमाल की।
मतलब आप देखिए, उन्होंने अपने बारे में बताया कि उनका ध्यान कभी किसी चीज की तरफ जाता था, कभी किसी चीज की तरफ, लेकिन फाइनली उनको जब ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग मिल गई कि उनका ध्यान, उनका पैशन, हर चीज फूड है, तो वो रेस्टोरेंट के बिजनेस के अंदर आए और स्टार्ट उन्होंने एक फूड कार्ट से किया और 4 एम्प्लॉइज के साथ।
आप देखिए, जब आपके काम में डेडिकेशन होती है ना और पैशनेट होते हैं आप अपने काम के लिए, तो सक्सेस पे आपको मिल
जाती है ज़ारा। और फिर 5 एम्प्लॉइज के साथ स्टार्ट की हुई कहानी आज 3000 एम्प्लॉइज तक पहुंच गई है और हम यहाँ पे रामेश्वरम को देख रहे हैं। अच्छा, मुझे एक चीज ना बहुत अच्छी लगी, उनके ओनर ने ये चीज जो बात की कि भाई मैंने क्या किया कि मैंने अपने पूरे साउथ इंडिया के जितने भी क्या कह लो
स्पेशलिटीज को लिया, कल्चर, टेंपल्स
और फूड, इन सबको ब्लेंड किया और वहां पे मैंने रामेश्वरम कैफे
तो रामेश्वरम कैफे का उन्होंने कहा कि इट इज अ टेंपल ऑफ फूड।
हाँ, बिल्कुल इसी तरह से, और वो चीज नजर भी आ रही है ज़ारा। फिर आप ये देखो कि लोग जो वहाँ पे आते हैं, मतलब सबसे पहली बार में अगर आप यहाँ कैफे को देखते हो तो आपको ऐसे ही लगता है कि आप किसी टेंपल को विजिट कर रहे हैं।
उसका एम्बियंस देखिए, हर जगह पे आपको वो कार्विंग्स नजर आती हैं और आइडल्स बने हुए नजर आते हैं।
आप ये कह सकते हो ना कि ये सिर्फ एक फूड स्पॉट नहीं है, ये एक फुल एक्सपीरियंस है। लोग यहाँ पे आके पूरा डे स्पेंड कर सकते हैं इसको देखने में, इसको समझने में।
और देखो कि जितना कंफर्टेबल लोग वहाँ पे हैं वो चीज नजर आती है ना कि देखो सबसे मुश्किल चीज होती है कस्टमर का ट्रस्ट गेन करना। एक बार उनका ट्रस्ट आपने जीत लिया ना तो बस फिर कस्टमर कहीं नहीं जाता, वो आप ही के पास आता है। बहुत खूबसूरत वीडियो थी, किस तरह से वो मैनेज करते हैं, कैसे उन्होंने किचन को अपने तैयार किया है, हर काउंटर उन्होंने बताया कि भाई ये कहानी अपनी बताता है। सो बहुत अच्छी वीडियो थी, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। बाकी आप बताएं आज की वीडियो कैसी लगी, हमारा रिएक्शन कैसा लगा।
अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा।
मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा।